Revolutionize your bandsaw and upgrade your woodworking capability with Sawblade.com's quality aftermarket guide kits. Hi, I'm product specialist Leslie here with the SCM 36-inch BS36 guide upgrade kit. This is an economical, easy to install solution that helps you improve your performance, increase your blade life, and get you straighter, faster cuts. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. This SCM comes with two micro-precision guides, a CP20 and a CP10, that are fully adjustable to allow for an unmatched accuracy in a variety of bandwidths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch and is designed to fit the SCM 36-inch model BS36 saw. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all your SCM aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or two-set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and we stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop in confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Leslie, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markups, no problem. Go direct.